2, 4, 6, 8, let's count and celebrate. 10, 12, 14, see what I mean? 16, 18, 20, it's time for some learning, honey. 22, 24, now let's do more. 2 times 1, that's a breeze. It equals 2, so easy to see. 2 times 2, now it's 4. Multiply again and you'll adore. Dancing twos, they're fun to do. Just count them right, I'll sing with you. Step by step, we'll add some more. Let's shout it loud. Twos galore. 2 times 3 gives a 6. Jump and clap, it's in the mix. 2 times 4 makes it 8. Count with me, this feels so great. Dancing twos, they're fun to do. Just count them right, I'll sing with you. Step by step, we'll add some more. Let's shout it loud. Twos galore. 2 times 5, it makes a 10. Think of it fast and dance again. 2 times